Marion's Choice, and it's a 12-inch block. Here is the diagram, and here are the cutting instructions. This is for cutting with your rotary cutter, and these are the AccuQuilt dies you can use to cut these pieces. And at the bottom here, I have a sewing order that you can follow. You can do whatever you want, but this is just a suggestion. Here are the pieces that we're cutting. This is for the large triangles on the outside. These are the smaller triangles just inside there, and these pieces are for the hourglass units in the middle. I'm going to start by sewing the triangles together, this size, and then sewing the hourglasses together. Here are the units all laid out, and it's these units, and these units, and then the hourglass units. And I'm going to start by sewing the hourglass units together. Then I'll sew these triangles on opposite sides. Then do the same thing with these triangles, opposite sides. And then the block will be finished.